This morning started quietly. The air was a bit cool and the garden felt calm. I didn't have a big plan for today, just a simple thought. Let's see what the garden can give this morning. I started with making some tea and muffins for the children, blueberry muffins, and I found a few ripe cherry tomatoes, small but full of color, and also a couple of peppers ready to pick. Not a big harvest, just enough for something simple to make an omelette. After breakfast, I didn't throw anything away because in the garden, nothing goes to waste. I had leftover salad greens, vegetable scraps, eggshells for breakfast, and some cardboard. I also had dried rosemary, so I removed the stems. The leaves can break down really easily, and the stems take longer, so it's best to avoid them. And this is a simple, easy way to prepare materials before composting. Today, I'm not going to use a compost bin. I'm going to make a small direct compost mix in a pot. I layered everything together: greens for nitrogen, cardboard for carbon, eggshells for calcium. Then I started to mix it gently into the soil. This isn't finished compost yet, but over time, what will happen is it will break down and it will start to feed the soil. After mixing, I covered everything with a layer of soil. What that does is it helps in three things: it reduces the smell, it keeps pests away, and it supports decomposition. It also creates a more balanced environment for microbes to go to work. Now I'll plant it into the same pot. The organic material underneath will slowly start to break down and feed the plant over time. It's not instant, but it builds healthier soil. What I like about mornings like this is how everything connects: harvest, cooking, returning to the soil, and planting again. It's a small cycle, but a complete one. So if you are gardening at home, let me know in the comment section below, what did you harvest today? I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have an amazing, great day. All the best.